Standard 12, Term 2 experiment. Like number 1, to determine the angle of minimum deviation for a given prism by plotting a graph between angle I and angle del. What is the meaning of angle del and angle I? Angle I is the angle of incidence and angle del is the angle of deviation. So all the things are very simple. The aim of the experiment, aperture required, theory, etc., etc. But the main point is that where the students are facing problem is that what is the meaning of the angle of deviation and how we are going to do it. Now see it. This first the just brief fundamental. This is a prism, and this is your incident ray, and here the normal I have drawn on to the interface AB. And this is the refracted ray, and this is the emergent ray. How the ray is bending? Here the ray is passing from rarer to the denser, it bends toward the normal. Here the ray is passing from denser to the rarer, so it goes away from normal. This is your angle I. This is the angle I means the angle of incidence. This is angle R, means angle of refraction. And this is your angle E, angle of emergence, right? This is the emergent ray. And this is the angle of incidence, angle of prism. Usually if the prism is equilateral, then it is 60 degree. Angle of deviation means what? If I am going to produce incident ray in this manner and the emergent ray backward in this manner, then this angle is the angle of deviation, that we require, right? So for the different value of angle of incidence, we require this angle del, means the angle of deviation, right? So after taking the reading, I will show how to take the reading. We are going to take a table, make a table of the different reading. Say if the angle I is 30 degree, then what is the value of the del? 35 del, kya value aa raha hai, whatever the value are there. This is observation. And after taking the observation, if you are going to draw the graph between del and the I, angular deviation in the y-axis I have taken, and angle of incidence along the x-axis. Then what happens after plotting this different points? You have to use the free hand to join this particular curve, not by scale. So we will get the graph like that. Then and the bottom point is the particular bottom point means of this graph is the del m, angle of minimum deviation. यहाँ पर जो भी angle होगा, that is the angle of minimum deviation for the corresponding value of angle of incidence. So that del m we are going to find out, right? Usually it has been observed that its value is ranging from 37 degree to 40 degree approx. But you have to do it and perform how much it is, what will be the value. Now just to see how we are going to do it, this is a white sheet we have taken, and we have drawn it a particular line, straight line, and over which we are going to place the prism. After placing the prism, we are drawing its edge of the prism, and after drawing we are going to remove it, and then from here, just to see at this particular point, to draw a perpendicular. This is a normal. This is a normal. And say for the first angle, that is the angle of incidence is 30 degree. I have taken this particular angle is 30 degree. With the help of protector, you can make it. This is say 30 degree. So after that, we are going to place this prism like that on or over which we have marked it or made the edges of the prism properly, and then put the two pins along the line of the 30 degree. Pin number 1, pin number 2. it has been observed that if we are taking the two pins at the distance of 10 centimeter, then the reading will be proper. So after that, putting it, and then we have to see it's the image of these two pins from this particular edge, from here. यहाँ पर हमको at this particular point we have to see where is the image, and say that I have marked it here and here by seeing the image. These two pins and the image of the earlier two pins are in the same line and the same plane. Then this particular two pins, we are going to take it out. And before that, I will show it. Now, just to see the apparatus, and here just you mark it, just to see the two pins. Can you able to see here the two pins? The images of the two pins are in the same line as these two. So we are inserting it. Just to see it properly, I am enlarging, and just to see, zooming it, and these all four pins are in the same line, and same plane. Right? Visible clearly? The same line and same plane. Then I am removing this prism and these two pins. These pins I am removing it, and then with the help of scale I am going to mark it. This is the two pins I have drawn. I have incident ray and these pins for this reflected part. Then I am going to draw that was the point, not this. Join this two pins and like that I am going to draw it, and the direction of the incident ray I am going to draw it again, just producing it. I am using the pen to make it clear. This is the emergent ray, and the angle, this angle is your angle of deviation. With the help of protractor, we are going to measure it, and then write I is equal to this much and del is equal to this much. So for this 30-degree angle, this I have taken similarly same setup for the 35-degree, for the 40-degree, 45-degree, 50-degree. So like that we have to make a data, a table, then plot the graph. Okay.